Hi, this is Bill McKenney. I'm the Marketing Director for the Comms BU at Analog Devices. I'm talking to you today from CES, and we're here to talk about 5G. So 5G at CES is a bit like catnip. Everybody wants to get involved in it, it's fun to play with, and there's a lot of buzz around it. What we're demonstrating here is more than just the buzz. We're talking about what does it take to build out a 5G solution, okay? And that's what this demo is all about. What we have here is an interactive demo that tries to visually show how 5G engages with a city in an urban environment. And if you'll notice, this is Las Vegas, and we're showing different ways that 5G interacts here. So we talk about the build out of what is it going to take to actually deliver on 5G, and then what is ADI's role in that build out? In this case, delivering expertise to help optimize business models for 5G. As we go through the demo, we look at different technologies that 5G applies to and ways that ADI meets the needs of our customers and helps improve the implementation of the solutions. It includes not only cellular infrastructure, but also many applications that we're involved in, including Industry 4.0, healthcare, automotive transportation, or autonomous transportation, to highlight the broad range of ADI's portfolio. We cover not only the full spectrum, RF spectrum of technology from sub-6 gigahertz to millimeter wave, but also sensors, monitors that apply to multiple solutions and applications. For example, in this location, you can see different points in the demonstration, this factory floor, where analog technology is helping deliver automated mobile technology within a manufacturing installation. Or if we look at an arena example, there's different technologies that ADI uses that improve the experience for the visitors and the fans of a hockey event in this case, including the drones in the air and the others. Along with Industry 4.0, we have a big role in aerospace, both in aircraft and the environment around airfields, along with technology for unmanned vehicles. Thanks very much. If you want more information, go to analog.com/5G.